Hey YouTube, today we're going to check out the AcmeJoy Aquarius. This is the AcmeJoy Aquarius. I bought this yo-yo on AliExpress for around $17. Looks like it came with some strings and instructions. Up close, the Aquarius has a cone-like shape that sticks out in the center of the cup. And there's not really much of a catch zone under the lip of the rim, so you'll have to get creative with your thumb grinds and finger spins. Although the overall finish of the yo-yo has a really nice and smooth blasted finish. The Aquarius comes in at 57mm in diameter, 43.2mm in width, 64.8 grams in weight, and has a 4.3mm string gap. Comes with a shielded center track style bearing. Seems to spin smoothly. So let's put this all together and see how it plays. So the first impression on the Aquarius was actually that this is a very great playing yo-yo. I bought this several months ago, around the same time when I first owned the MYY Hertz, and immediately I love the weight, I love the balance. I mean, it's a really great performing yo-yo, especially for the price. I think I got this for around $15 or $18 on AliExpress. It's very affordable. It's actually a really great yo-yo. There is one small thing that I wasn't so fond of, and that is the string gap. It is a little bit narrower, not as narrow as the Zodiac, but it's still a really great performer. The lip under the rim doesn't really have much of a catch zone area for thumb grinds, so you actually will have to throw it kind of at a tilt. And the center of the cup kind of has this spire that sticks out that's kind of really sharp, so I'm pretty sure you won't be able to do finger spins unless you do it slightly off to the side. But yeah, it's just gonna spin around that center spire. But I mean, overall, the body of the yo-yo, the finish, it's honestly a very sleek yo-yo. Let's see how this does in horizontal. So it's not a very wide yo-yo, but it's a very comfortable one to use. Like I said, the only small gripe is the string gap. It's a pretty light yo-yo, you could really feel the bounce on the string. It's very lightweight. I don't know if it's as light as the gravitation, but it's very comparable to the MYY Hertz. This actually was one of my favorites before, but I think with that string gap, it's kind of limits the capability of the yo-yo. So sometimes I do use thin string to be able to do some more complicated tricks, but it's honestly a great yo-yo for a really great price. And before I forget, let's check out the vibe. So as far as I know, my experience with this yo-yo is it's extremely smooth. There's practically no vibe. And that small little sound is because earlier I accidentally hit the grass with it, but it's honestly one of the smoothest yo-yos I actually own.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.